From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening. I'm student meteorologist Denys Khrulov here with your Friday evening CNET forecast. Looking at the Beaver Stadium live camera right now, clouds are sticking around and they won't be going around much, and we have actually more rain in the forecast. More on that later. So right now we're seeing a temperature of 66 degrees, and with that dew point also at 66, it is feeling quite muggy out there. So a little bit cooler on the temperature side, but you won't be wearing those sweaters because it is feeling that tropical like air mass. And we do have our winds beginning to pick up out of the east-northeast at 6 miles per hour, so a little bit breezy out there. Looking at temperatures across the Commonwealth, generally into the upper 60s, low 70s. Warmer spots across western PA, we have temperatures generally into the lower 70s. And then looking at eastern PA, temperatures are also into the upper 60s to low 70s, sitting at 74 up there in Scranton. And then looking at the radar and satellite, we do have some remnant outer bands coming in from the remnants of Hurricane Helene across much, especially I-80 and south this afternoon. This will begin to slowly drift northward over the next few hours, which will likely impact our evening plans. So if you have any outdoor evening plans this evening, bring those raincoats and umbrellas. And then zooming out to the rest of the United States, much of the west coast and central U.S. dry and sunny, but we do have this one big troublemaker with remnants of Hurricane Helene bringing a lot of moisture into the central and eastern U.S., and it is phasing with an upper level low, so that is why it looks so expansive this afternoon and evening. And then tracking out the rest of Hurricane Helene, or the remnants of Hurricane Helene over the next few days, as you can see, the National Hurricane Center track does not have it move around much. It just stays over this area over the next few days, and that is indicative of no movement. So lots of moisture and lots of rain is going to be sitting around in those areas, and that will be impacting our forecast here this weekend as well. So tracking out the radar this evening, we do have some showers that will make it through up to I-80 by 7:30 this evening, but rest of the state seeing mostly scattered showers. That will continue as we head into the overnight into early tomorrow morning. We see more showers, maybe a few breaks of the clouds, especially across south central PA, but I won't be betting on that. Generally just cloudy skies, showers. If you're out tailgating tomorrow, heading to the big game against Illinois here, we might see some showers sticking around, so bring those raincoats, umbrellas, rain boots, and then we'll see another surge of moisture come in by Sunday morning. That could linger into Monday as well. In terms of precipitation amounts, through Sunday evening, we should see about a ½ inch, if not more, of rainfall. Further south you are, the more rain you will get. Further north, a little bit more drier, but again, much of the state will see some precipitation throughout the weekend. And then as we get into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, starting off Monday, we'll see the remnants of Helene just stick around here as I saw that track. Not much movement, but then it will slowly drift eastward into the early next week, bring the threat for showers into Tuesday as well, and then to Wednesday we'll see this cold front sweep through, finally bring an end to this wet and dreary pattern. And look at that, that is sunshine returning to the forecast by Thursday, but more rain is unfortunately on the way. Again, look at this. Precipitation changes remain pretty high at least through Wednesday, with their best chance of precipitation Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And this rain is definitely much needed. I mean, this is the latest drought index update. Much of the areas are seeing some abnormally dry conditions, but further south and west, especially across Greene and Washington counties, they're in a moderate to extreme drought. And in fact, that red all the way in southwest Greene County, that is an extreme drought that was issued for the first time since these outlooks began in the year of 2000. Anyway, tonight showers continue with a low of 63 degrees. Again, bring those umbrellas, raincoats, especially if you're going to the homecoming parade. Tomorrow, warming up into the lower 70s with scattered showers around. It won't be a washout, but again, have those umbrellas and raincoats at hand, especially if you're going to the game, but it will not be a washout, it'll be quite humid. And then taking a look at your 7-day outlook, we are not seeing much of a pattern change. In fact, as we head through the weekend, we're going to see scattered showers continue. Best chance for rain will come Monday, with rain likely, and those will linger to Tuesday with hit and miss showers. Our cold front will come through on Wednesday, bringing the threat for more showers. But look at that, by Wednesday evening into the overnight, we'll drop temperatures into the 40s for overnight lows, indicative of that cold front passage. And then we'll see sunshine return for your Thursday and Friday. Finally, some sunshine after it's been quite a long time since we've seen sun here in State College and across much of the Commonwealth. Anyway, I'm student meteorologist Denys Khrulov. Have a great weekend and next week, and remember to stay dry.